So I hope everyone is fine. This is the last lecture of Java, and in last lecture, what we have done Java FX, right? We also will do Java FX. We'll see UI component of Java FX as well as event handling, right? Let me share my screen. I hope you can see my screen, right? Okay. So last time we have done till Java FX uh, text field, right? And how do we get values? Now let's see Java FX slider. Okay. So slider can be instantiated using javafx.scene.control.slider class. Okay. Before that, uh, just give me one minute. Let me remove all these things. JavaFX, JavaFX applications. Okay. Now here in this code, first we were extending applications. That's what we have done. And then main method with a launch argument. So main method launch argument, and we are overriding start method. We are overriding start method. Let me override start method here. So right now there are no event action. Only just we are just showing slider, right? Slider, I need to import something. Save, right click, run. Okay, now you see the slider here. I got any idea how this slider works? Okay, based on some desktop application, now you want to apply slider like this, and something happens, then this is useful. Okay, now scroll bar. Next one is scroll bar. So how do we put scroll bar? So actually, slider actually I told you, I forgot. So slider class with slider object, new slider. So here is the parameter. So you might be asking, so how do we get parameter? So for that, for new slider, this three is a parameter. Yeah. So minimum, maximum, and the values. Okay. So minimum, from minimum to maximum values from 1 to 100, and values 20. Okay, so from 1 to 100, slider will be there, and 20 will be the value. Whenever you put slider, it will plus or minus 20. Okay, inside the root, we are adding slider, and that root we are adding to scene. Okay, now this stage is good, and then inside this stage, primary stage, we are adding scene. Okay, so same way, we have scroll bar. First, I need to imply scroll bar, then putting scroll bar into layout, and inside the layout I am adding scroll bar. That layout I need to add it to scene, and then scene I need to add to primary stage. Okay. Now you see the scroll bar. Right now, this is actually horizontal scroll bar. Most of the time, we don't require horizontal, we require vertical scroll bar, right? Okay. So, scroll bar, as I told you, it's a vertical. So, we can set orientation of scroll bar. Okay. Using this orientation, you see the S dot orientation option will be there. Option. The orientation property. And here, uh, sorry, it's a set orientation. Yes, here. And here orientation vertical or horizontal, which one you want, depends. So this is how you can set a scroll bar, vertical or horizontal. Okay. Now, I cannot guarantee the next topic, that is media with Java FX, that will be able to play audio or video, because it depends on path, and in my laptop path might be different. Okay. So let's see the media with Java FX. So modern world rich internet application must be capable to play, edit the media file when required. Java exploits a media-rich API that can play audio and video on the user demand. Okay, so JavaFX Media API enables user to incorporate audio and video into rich internet applications. JavaFX Media API can distribute media content across a different device like TV, mobile, tablet. All this is where all the media content will be there. I mean, JavaFX supports. Okay. So after this media with Java FX, we have media events. Okay. So there is a media API to be event driven. Callback behavior attack with the media function are used to handle media events. Callback functions. Okay. Just give me 1 minute, more minute time. Give me 1 minute time. Yes, hello everyone. Actually, I got disconnected. Let me present my screen. Okay, so what we are talking about media events. So JavaFX team has designed media API to be event driven. Whatever callback we are attached with the media function is to handle media events. So there are some buttons, there are some code is given. Okay, so let's say you want to start audio, then using button you can start audio. Okay, yeah, let's say there's some button, with that button you want to stop audio, you can stop audio. Okay, so the java.lang.enable function interface I used to call back, which invoke when event is encountered. Okay, anyway, so these are the class and methods are given, which is helpful on media. And the constructor is also given if we want to initialize something in a media class, some constructor. Okay, okay, let's see one small example, but I don't have that media file, but we'll see. Mm, MP3 file is required. Mm, first MP3 file. Okay, let's check. Do we have MP3 file or not? I think it should be there. For media, I need to import media, which is related to FX only. And here's a path of MP3. Uh, I need to get MP3. Okay, let me stop sharing. Let me first search MP3. Uh, and I will share again. Okay, so here actually I'm not getting any MP3 file right now, as well as video file. What you can do is, uh, you can. I think I'm going to share this, so you can just put it in your laptop and try to do that. media as well as video file also. Okay, and video example is also given where MP4 format is required. Okay, so right now I don't have those videos. Okay, so you can do this media and video file together at your own time, right? Okay, let's jump to this event handling. Very, very important. We already done event handling, right? We have already done event handling where pressing on button, it will give us something output. Pressing on something, other things, it was giving us output like that. Okay, so that's what event handling we are going to see in depth. So Java Xcode provides us flexibility to create various type of applications such as desktop application, web, graphics. Okay, and user wants to interact with the application most of the case. Okay, so JavaFX an event is occurred. So whatever event is occurred whenever the user interact with the application. Whenever user interact with the application, event will be occurred. Okay, like the nodes, like the button and text box, label. Okay, whenever we press on that, some event will be occurred. So various sources by using which the user can generate the event. For example, user can make the use of mouse, or it can press any button on the keyboard, or it can scroll any page or application in order to generate event. Okay. Okay. What are the events are there? Foreground event and background event. There are two types. Foreground events are mainly occur due to the direct interaction of the user with the GUI application. Okay, such as clicking the button, pressing a key, selecting item from list, scrolling the page. This is foreground. Background event doesn't require user interaction. Okay, background event like in whatever happens event in background. Okay, mainly occur to the operating system, interrupts, failure, operation condition, etc. Okay, so Java FX events used to notify the application about action taken by the user. Java FX provides a mechanism to capture the event, route the event to its target, letting the application handle the events. Okay. So JavaX provides the class JavaFX event.event, which contains all the subclasses representing the type of event that can be generated in JavaFX. Okay. Any event is an instance of the class event or any of subclass. So mouse event, key event, scroll event, drag event, these are the event classes. Okay, so if I am just uh, handling the mouse like this, it will be mouse event, right? Okay, so following steps need to be followed in order to handle the event. First, root construction. So event dispatch chain is created in order to determine the default route of the event. Whenever it is generated, the event dispatch chain contains a path from the stage to the node on which the event is generated. Stage here to the path. Okay, so submit event, if I click on submit button, it goes to the group, and scene to the stage. Okay, it has to reach up to stage. Okay, so event dispatch chain is created on the following image of the event generated on the scene graph node. Event capturing phase. Okay, so once the event dispatch chain is created, the event is dispatched from the source node of the event. All the nodes are traversed by the event from top to bottom. If the event filter is registered with any of these nodes, then it will be executed. If any of the nodes are not registered with the event filter, then the event is transferred to target node. The target node processes the event in the case. Anyway, yeah, we don't need to see this. And event bubbling, once the event is processed by target node, any register filter, okay, event will be goes to stage node and then handlers. Anyway, so let's see directly one of the examples. These are the methods on mouse drag. We want to activate some event on mouse drag over. You want to activate some event. These are the methods are given. Ready method on mouse press. If I press on left click of mouse, okay, what should happen? All these things are given here. Okay, let's see this example. So start method, let me override this start method. The code is too much large, but what I'm just going to copy the entire code here. There are so many imports. What I need to do is uh, from Word only I will do it. Okay, now this is good. Let me just copy start. Okay. So here we are creating one rectangle shape. That rectangle shape we are filling with the color. Okay, and this transition rotation we are putting with this millisecond it will rotate. Okay, and the button is given with a play, and as soon as we click on the button set on action, event handler will be there. Event handler that will handle, inside that handle method will be there, and here we need to play click on, I mean it will uh, execute the play method. Where is the play method? Okay, so as soon as uh, the rotate.play method. So inside the rotation, we have play method that is inbuilt. As soon as yes, what happened? Anything?
હેલો સર.
Yes,
હેલો
yes.
સર, આપણે જાવામાં ડ્રો કરીને કઈ પ્રોગ્રામ કરવો હોય તો કઈ રીતના થાય?
Draw કરીને પ્રોગ્રામ
હા, એવી રીતના.
હાલે કઈ રીતે આમ?
ધારો કે સર્કલ હોય.
હા, બોલો બોલો.
હેલો, સર્કલ હોય તો સર્કલ નો ડાયામીટર ની બધું હોય, ખાલી આપણે ડ્રો જ કરી નાખવાનું ને તો ડાયરેક્ટ એનો પ્રોગ્રામિંગ ડાયરેક્ટ
આ
ઓટોમેટિક
રહ્યો એ
આવી
જ
જાય.
પ્રોગ્રામ છે. જો સર્કલની પેલા રેક્ટેંગલ છે, અને રેક્ટેંગલ એને અહીંયા લખ્યું છે, એને એનો ડાયમેન્શન આપ્યા છે, એમાં કલર ફિલ કર્યા, અને એ રેક્ટેંગલને રોટેટ કરાવશે આ પ્રોગ્રામ. તું જે કે છે એક્ઝેક્ટલી
એમ નહીં, રેક્ટેંગલ નું પ્રોગ્રામિંગ આપણે નહીં કરવાનું, આપણે ખાલી ડ્રો જ કરવાનું, પ્રોગ્રામિંગ એની
અચ્છા,
જાતે
ડ્રો
થઈ જાય.
કરવા માટે પ્રોગ્રામિંગ કરવું પડે ભાઈ. તું ડ્રો
આ જો એમાં
હા તું જે
મેં એક જગ્યાએ
હા
જોયું
એ
હતું ને.
તું જે કે છે ને ડ્રો કરવાનું, એ પ્રોગ્રામિંગ કરવું પડે.
હા,
જેમ કે
એમ જો
હા
સર, ઓલા નેટબીનમાં જાવ, આગળ નેટબીનમાં
હા
આગળ જાવ. એમાં જો ઓલું સોર્સ ને બાજુમાં હિસ્ટ્રી બતાવી ને, હાવ ઉપર
કઈ બાજુ?
જાવા એપ્લિકેશન ની બાજુમાં.
હા
અહીંયા એક જગ્યાએ હે ને, એક નેટબીનમાં યુટ્યુબમાં હતું ને, એમાં અહીંયા ડિઝાઇન લખેલ હતું.
ડિઝાઇન
હા એમાંથી ડ્રો થાય છે પણ આપડા મેં કરી ટ્રાય પણ એમાં થતું નથી.
ડિઝાઇન ત્રણ હોય. એક તો જાવા એફએક્સ હોય જે અત્યારે કરીએ છે ઈ, બીજું
હમ
હોય જાવા એડબ્લ્યુટી અને કાં તો સ્વિંગ. ઓકે, આ ત્રણ
એમાં સોર્સ ને હિસ્ટ્રી લખી ને સોર્સ ડિઝાઇન ને હિસ્ટ્રી એવી રીતના ત્રણ છે
ત્રણ
આમાં આપણે
વસ્તુ
સોર્સ ને હિસ્ટ્રી બે જ મેથડ.
હોય. ઓકે, તો ત્રણ વસ્તુમાંથી એક વસ્તુ એને યુઝ કર્યો. હવે તું જે કે છે બરાબર, કે જે
હમ
અહીંયા કોઈ સ્ક્રીન આવે ને એમાં ડ્રો કરું, જેમ કે પેઇન્ટ છે, પેઇન્ટમાં કેવી રીતે છે, ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ ડુ લાઈક ધેટ,
ભાઈ
હા, એના માટે તારે આવી રીતે બટન એક્શન, એટલે તું માઉસનું બટન પ્રેસ કર તો શું થવું જોઈએ, તો આખાનો
હમ
કોડ તારે લખવો પડે. સી અહીંયા
કઈ
શું છે
નથી.
કે રોટેશન વાળું જે એનિમેશન જે છે એ પ્લે ને પોઝ થશે આ બટન હું પ્રેસ કરીશ તો આનો એક કોડ
હા
લખ્યો છે. તો પેલો જે ડ્રો કરવાનો એનો કોડ તો લખવો પડે. ધેટ ઇઝ અ વેરી વેરી લાર્જ પ્રોગ્રામ.
મેં આ યુટ્યુબમાં જોયું એટલે કહું યુટ્યુબમાં
હા,
કોડ વિથ
ધેટ
એરિયા
ઇઝ,
ને એમાં
હા, ઇટ્સ પોસિબલ, બધું પોસિબલ છે. પણ એના માટે તારે કોડ લખવો પડે એ ડ્રો કરવા માટે. ઓકે,
ઓકે થેન્ક યુ.
હા ભાઈ, યસ, બીજું કોઈ, એનીવન? Okay, so let me run this. This is we are just putting one word rectangle. We are just moving the rectangle, okay, with the button. And let's run file. Okay, now you see. Okay, what happens? We are just putting rectangle here. This is simple rectangle code. At this position we are putting. After putting rectangle, we are rotating it. So you might be asking, sir, where is that? Where we have put rectangle? So you see rectangle object. We are putting here setting node. After that, we are putting two buttons: play button and pause button. And once we play button, there is a this command. This method is inbuilt there, where we can rotate the this rectangle. Okay, for rotation, dot play command is already given there, and for this rotation, the pause command is already given, and then this group, we are making one group root, putting that in scene, and then all these things we have put in primary stage. Okay, fine. So this is the example of what event handling. They're using the button set on action. Okay. Yeah, this is the example. So set on action example of button. So set on example, set on action, what it happens, what it does. The set on action method is illustrated. The event handler registered with set on action method is called set on action method is called when the play button is clicked. It's set to rotate the rectangle on screen. Okay. Okay. Now, actually, the method, that event handling method, it's like this. The syntax is like this: set on event type. So here, set on action, and then type event handler super event class value. So event handler, the event and the value. Right now there is no value. Okay, this is a syntax. The button object with set on action, with event handler, the action event and the value. Okay, and right now we have this method which is handling the event. Okay, so here set on action is there. One more is there, set on key event. Set on key event means used to register the event handling logic for key event generated on node. Okay, so okay, let's see directly the example. You see, set on action. If I press on a button, there will be set on action. But if I press on a keyboard, so if I press some key, so it will say set on key press event. Okay, let me just copy paste this one. So there are different handling methods. Most famous is set on action for button. And here it goes. So text field I need to import. Okay, so two text fields are there. So in a first text field, if I want to listen the event, like if I press key and I want to happen something, then I'll be firing this event set on key press. Okay. Anyway, let's see. You see, A, B, C, D, E, F. So whenever I press key, it happens. It doesn't happen when I press mouse button or anything else. Okay, so this event is for pressing key only. Like that event, there are types. Set on key press is one of the event. Set on action is one of the event. Set on action is for what? Set on action is for button. If I have button and if I want to invoke something using button, then set on action is there. Okay, anyway. Okay, event filters are what? Event filters provides a way to handle events generated by the keyboard action, mouse action, scroll action, many more event source. Okay, so event filter process the event during the event capturing phase of event handling. Okay, so event handler, how do we add event handler? Node.add event filter. Anyway, so let's see directly the example. This example is very big. Okay, till here. Label I need to I need to write down import scene. Okay, sorry. It's here only. Press any key, there are two labels, and then there is an event handler filter. Okay, so event handler, I mean, you see, filter means any filter you can put here. So right now we have key event. Okay, So any right now key event is there. We could have mouse event. We could have another event. Okay, and as soon as we get event type and we get a text. Anyway, let's run this. Press any key D. So you see, whenever I press key released, whenever I press D, key type is written. I mean, it's getting very fast. So whenever I press H, you see H is type and then released. So at the time it will be released. Yes. Hello. My screen is visible, right? Any doubt? Or by mistake happened? Okay. Right now there are no hands. Okay. So what I was telling that filter is there. Filter is also given. Okay. For what? For launching an event, right? Okay. So right now, if we don't need a filter, we can remove the filter also. Okay. Fine. So this event handler, we have already seen. This is the repeated one. Okay, where we can also handle the mouse event. When we press the key, put play button, so that transition will happen. Okay. Fine. So this was the last topic of event handling in a JavaFX. Okay. We'll keep up to here. JavaFX has been completed. So we'll end our session here. So everyone write down your number in chat box. We'll end our session here.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
સર આમાં કન્ફ્યુઝન છે જરાક તમને કહું સોલ્વ કરો ને.
બોલો ના.
સર આપણે જે વાઇવા છે તો વાઇવા લેવાના છે કે આપણે એક્ઝામ હશે ઓલી તમે કીધી હતી 20 માર્કની?
ના, એક્ઝામ એ અલગ છે.
અચ્છા.
અલગ છે. બરાબર, એમાં ઇન્ટરનલ માર્ક્સ કાઉન્ટ થશે, એ અલગ એક્ઝામ છે. બરાબર, આ જે છે એ નાના એવા વાઇવા જેવું ગોઠવ્યું છે, જેમાં તમારી એમાં લેફ્ટ ફાઇલ જોશું, જે તમે અપલોડ કરી હશે એ, અને સાથે સાથે નાના એવા વાઇવા જેવું લેશું, એકાદ બે ક્વેશ્ચન.
ઓકે. અને સર આપણે જેમ કે ઓઓપી નો કોર્સ છે તો હવે અમારે એમસીક્યુઝ કરવા હોય તો આમ કાંઈ સાઇટ કેવું છે કે અમે રિફર કરી શકીએ એમાંથી એમસીક્યુ, કે પછી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ આખે આખો વાંચવો પડશે?
ના ના, એવી રીતે કાંઈ છે નહીં, પણ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ તમારે વાંચવું પડશે ને. સી, અરે યાર, આ તમે એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં ભણો ને તમે એમસીક્યુ કેમ માંગો છો?
આ સર આપણે લગભગ જીટીયુ ની ઓનલાઈન એક્ઝામિનેશન
હા,
લેવાની
પણ
છે.
એક્ઝામ માટે આપણે પ્રિપેર નથી કરતા, આપણે સબ્જેક્ટ પ્રિપેર કરીએ છીએ.
ઓકે ઓકે. અને
હા, એટલે એના માટે એમસીક્યુ વર્ડ જો સૌથી પહેલા તો કોઈ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ મારી પાસે છે નહીં. બીજી વાત, તને ઓનલાઈન એમસીક્યુ બહુ બધા મળી જશે, બરાબર. અને ત્રીજું, આવી રીતે પ્રિપેર કરીશ તો તું શીખી નહીં શકે ક્યારે સબ્જેક્ટ, એ તને પણ ખબર છે.
હા સર, એ તો આ તો ખાલી એક્ઝામ્પલ તો, બાકી તો
હા, એટલે
સબ્જેક્ટ
એક્ઝામ ના ના, એટલે આ તો એક્સપેક્ટેડ નહોતું ને કે આવું સેકન્ડ વેવ પણ આવશે કોવિડ નો, ને આવું પાછું આવું થશે, એટલે એવું કઈ પ્રિપેર કઈ કર્યું નહોતું. અને જીટી વાળા પણ ફિઝિકલ નો જ વિચારતા હતા.
ઓકે.
એટલે મોટે ભાગે જે ફિઝિકલ નો પ્લાન છે, પણ જસ્ટ વેઇટ, એ લોકો કે એવી રીતે આપણે ચાલો, હજી ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કઈ નથી આવી, તો એ લોકોએ કીધું છે કમ્પ્લીટ કરી નાખો વાયવાની બધું, એટલે આપણે જે ટાઈમ ટેબલ છે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે ચાલશું. રેડી?
ઓકે, ડન સર.
Okay, Parth, you can inform to Arman. He said he doesn't know Gujarati. So Parth, you can inform to Arman, right?
ओके सर, ओके.
हाँ. Okay. किसी को और कुछ doubt, anything you want to ask? Fine. All the documents are shared with you. Everything has been shared with you. Even the syllabus also. Okay. so you can refer, go to e-content and you can refer it, right? Fine. And we'll meet at the time of this submission. Okay, there will be one exam. So for exam, I'll be giving instruction on Telegram group. Okay, don't worry regarding that, but keep checking the group. It should not happen like, sir, I missed that exam. Your marks will be gone. Okay, I'm very sure. Keep checking the group. Okay, whenever I put some instruction, and for the submission, whatever time is given, we'll meet there. Okay, for the link and all these things, don't worry, I will give you giving you link in a group also. ग्रुप में ही पोस्ट कर दूंगा सब जो भी है, ठीक है? एनीवे, चलो, थैंक यू एवरीवन. ओके, विल meet the next submission time.